This video is an introduction to the yellow dragon, followed by a meditation to meet and receive the wisdom, insights, and guidance of the yellow dragon. In Chinese tradition, the golden yellow dragon represents the earth, which is at the center of all the 5 elements. It's associated with prosperity, power, wisdom, and good fortune. Yellow can also symbolize the sun and its life-giving properties. Bright golden yellow energizes, lifts the mood, and improves memory. The yellow dragon is not a creature of fire, but one of awakening. To meet the yellow dragon is to meet the self at the center of your being and receive its illumination. The yellow dragon is also associated with the 3rd chakra at the solar plexus. Focusing on and breathing from this point in your body helps you feel strong, grounded, and steady. The yellow dragon helps you move past doubts and believe in your unique self. Don't fear apparent setbacks, be energized by them. When you access this steady, grounded, confident, strong energy within you, you can take it into the world in your words and actions and be heard, and also spread your warmth to others who will be reassured by your steadiness and strength. This quality is needed in the world at the moment. I'm going to start the Yellow Dragon meditation now. Please join me if you wish. First of all, sit or lie down in a comfortable position and allow yourself to settle into this position. Release any tension you hold in your body or mind on the out-breath as your breathing slows down. As your breathing slows, allow your mind to become clear. Stopping everything else allows you to see what is within. Your mind does not necessarily need to be slow or empty, just increasing in clarity with each breath. Take a few quiet moments of deep, slow breathing and noticing, and allow your thoughts to arise. Notice them without judgment or trying to control what's there. Now we are going to invite in the yellow dragon. Welcome in the presence and energy of the yellow dragon. Sense the direction it arrives from and feel its presence in front of you. Feel the dragon's strength and warmth. The yellow dragon helps you to believe in yourself and everything you can do. Everything starts with the belief, the visualization, and the feeling of having what you want. The imagination is powerful, and the imagined feeling of success has the same energetic ripples as the actual experience of it. Bring your attention to your solar plexus area, which is the yellow chakra, the 3rd chakra from the base at the navel center. Feel a sense of strength, steadiness, and total self-belief. Imagine this chakra as a yellow sphere of light, expanding in all directions, spreading beyond your physical body to the edges of your aura. Let this yellow light bring you feelings of positivity, self-confidence, excitement, hope, and positive expectations for your hopes, goals, dreams, and wishes. Know that the warmth, strength, and energy you give out empowers and heals you and others who are touched by your energy. Your warmth in this world is needed. Your steadiness is needed. Allow a feeling of space and openness in your mind. Where you have been limited or constricted, feel a sense of release. Feel this release in your solar plexus and allow it to spread to your head and mind. Now see the yellow dragon in front of you. She reminds you that this strength and power is within you. You accessed it, and she was there as support and a reminder of your strength. She reminds you to be confident in your uniqueness, to be yourself, and to have total belief in yourself and in the outcomes that are best and most positive for you in all aspects of your life. Pause and listen to anything the yellow dragon has for you today, any messages, or ask any questions and hear the answer. Now thank the yellow dragon in any way you wish. She flies off, but leaves you in a warm, vibrant, yellow auric glow, which is your own energy. Feel this contract into your solar plexus chakra, where it remains for you at all times, to access when you need to be reminded of or access your inner strength, self-confidence, personal power, positivity, and healing warmth. Take a few moments to notice your thoughts and feelings now. Now bring your attention to your breath, moving in your rib cage and abdominal area. Feel where your body is contacting the floor and make small movements to wake your body. Rub your hands together Now cover your eyes and feel the warmth of your hands. When you are ready, open your eyes back in the room and ready to continue your day or evening, knowing you can call on the yellow dragon or expand your own yellow chakra energy anytime you like.